Friends, irrespective of their background and profession, the welfare and safety of all Indians abroad is our top priority. For this, we are strengthening the entire ecosystem of our administrative arrangements. Whether it is on loss of their passports, need for legal advice, medical assistance, shelter, or even transportation of mortal remains to India, I have directed all Indian embassies to be proactive to address problems of Indian nationals abroad. Our response to the needs of the Indian nationals overseas is defined by accessibility, sensitivity, speed, and promptness. 24/7 helplines by Indian embassies, open house meetings with Indian nationals, consular camps, Twitter Seva for passport services, and use of social media platforms for immediate access are some of the measures that we have put in place to convey a clear message that we are there for you when you need us. The security of Indian nationals abroad is of utmost importance to us. हम पासपोर्ट का कलर नहीं देखते हैं, खून का रिश्ता सोचते हैं. In institutions of distress faced by Indian nationals, we have reached out to ensure their safety, rescue, and repatriation. Our External Affairs Minister, Srimati Sushma Swaraj ji, has particularly been proactive and prompt in reaching out the distressed Indians abroad using social media. Under Operation Sankat Mochan in July 2016, we evacuated over 150 Indian nationals from South Sudan within 48 hours. Prior to that, we evacuated several thousands of our citizens from conflict situations in Yemen in well-coordinated, smooth and swift cooperations. In the last 2 years, 2014 and 2016, we facilitated the repatriation of over 90,000 Indian nationals from nearly 54 countries. Through the Indian Community Welfare Fund, we have assisted more than 80,000 Indian nationals abroad who were in contingency situations. Our aim is that for every Indian abroad, home should never be far away. हम लोग छोटे थे तब सुनते थे मामा का घर कितना दूर, तो बोले दिया जले उतना दूर. भारत कितना दूर उसको लगना चाहिए, दिया जले उतना दूर. इतनी निकट का उसको महसूस होनी चाहिए. दुनिया के किसी भी देश में क्यों न रहता हो, उसको ये अपनापन महसूस होना चाहिए. For those workers who seek economic opportunities abroad, Our effort is to provide maximum facilitation and ensure least inconvenience. Our motto is सुरक्षित जाएं, प्रशिक्षित जाएं, विश्वास के साथ जाएं. For this, we have streamlined our systems and taken several measures to safeguard immigration of Indian workers. About 6 lakh engineers, immigrants have been granted immigration clearance online for overseas employment through registered recruitment agents. Online registration of foreign employers on e-migrate portal has been made mandatory. And the grievances, complaints, and petitions of the migrant workers continue to be addressed online through e-migrate and Madad platforms. We are also taking strict actions against illegal recruitment agents in India. Prosecution sanctions by CBI or state police against illegal agents, an increase in the amount of bank guarantee deposited by the recruiting agents from rupees 20 lakhs to rupees 50 lakhs. Our some of the steps in this direction to ensure that the migrating Indian workers enjoy better economic opportunities. We will shortly launch a skill development program, the Pravasi Kaushal Vikas Yojana, targeted at Indian youth who seek overseas employment.